In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Genshin Impact quickly. To start, open your Genshin Impact app on your phone, tablet, or PC. Give it a moment to load completely and make sure you have a stable internet connection, since account changes need to sync online. If you're prompted to download a small update, let that finish before moving on so everything works smoothly. Once you're in the game, open the main menu. On mobile and PC, you can get there by tapping the Paymon icon near the top left of the screen. This opens your game menu where you can adjust things like controls, audio, and more. If you're in a busy area or mid-combat, step to a safe spot first so the switch isn't interrupted. Next, head into settings by selecting the gear icon. This is where all your account and system preferences live. Inside settings, look for the tab labeled Account. This tab manages login details, security, and links to the official account center. In the account section, select the prompt that says click to proceed. This takes you to the account center for your current login. From here, choose switch account. The game will sign you out and return you to the login screen so you can access a different profile. At the login screen, enter the email and password for the account you want to use. Type carefully and keep your credentials private. Don't share them or read them aloud. If you normally sign in through a third-party option like a platform login, select that provider on this screen and complete any verification steps. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to approve the prompt or enter the code to keep your account secure. When your details are set, click Start Game. The game will authenticate your account and load your progress tied to that login. If you play on multiple servers, double-check the region shown on the login or title screen so you land on the account and server you expect. That's the whole process. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Remember where the account tab is in settings so you can switch faster next time. Consider using a password manager to avoid typos. And after you load in, you can confirm you're on the right profile by checking your user ID and characters. Switching accounts won't delete any data. Each login keeps its own progress on its chosen server. With these steps, switching accounts in Genshin Impact is quick, reliable, and secure. Enjoy your session, and happy adventuring.